Welcome to today's instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality 2v plus 5 is greater than 11. We will go step by step to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. Step 1. We begin with the inequality 2v plus 5 is greater than 11. Our goal is to isolate the variable v on one side of the inequality. To do this, we need to eliminate the number 5 that is being added to the variable term 2v. We accomplish this by subtracting 5 from both sides of the inequality. This ensures that the inequality remains balanced. So we subtract 5 from 2v plus 5, and we also subtract 5 from 11. This changes our inequality from 2v plus 5 is greater than 11 to 2v is greater than 6. We can think of this as simplifying the inequality. Removing the same amount from both sides maintains the inequality's integrity, ensuring that the inequality is still true. In summary, we subtracted 5 from both sides to move closer to solving for v. We changed 2v plus 5 is greater than 11 into 2v is greater than 6. Step 2. Now that we have simplified our inequality to 2v is greater than 6, our next objective is to isolate the variable v completely. Notice that v is currently being multiplied by the number 2. To solve for v, we need to undo this multiplication. We can do this by performing the opposite operation, which is division. We will divide both sides of the inequality by 2. This means we will take the term 2v and divide it by 2, and we will also take the number 6 and divide it by 2. Dividing both sides ensures that the inequality remains balanced and true. When we divide 2v by 2, we are left with v. When we divide 6 by 2, we get 3. Therefore, our inequality now reads v is greater than 3. This is our final step because we have successfully isolated the variable v. The solution to the inequality 2v plus 5 is greater than 11 is v is greater than 3. In interval notation, this is written as the open interval from 3 to infinity. The open interval indicates that 3 is not included, but every number greater than 3 is included. So to summarize, the solution in inequality form is v is greater than 3, and in interval notation, it is 3 to infinity. Thank you for following along with the steps to solve this inequality. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.